What's going on, everybody? It's a beautiful day. It's New Year's Eve, and I'm gonna make a short little video of me switching over my cutting edge on my Fisher mm2. I have a 7 foot 5 inch. Yeah, 7 foot 5 inch straight blade, and I just got this stainless, or not stainless steel, but a steel cutting edge for it. So right now it comes factory with a polyester cutting edge, and it's done the trick, obviously, but I always knew that I wanted to get a stainless or a steel one because I just, one, don't have any contracts that require a polyester, and two, yes, polyesters are way more forgiving, and you know, they do a really good job, but they also, in my opinion, they just don't get a finer scrape. And I also never actually like cleaned it up and sharpened it this fall. So anyways, I'm gonna be installing this puppy. So first I gotta take this one off, so let's get to that. I don't know what this is, probably like an 18 or something, but yeah, let's get to it. So it takes a 19 mil if you ever want to change these. So, polyester one. Oh wow, and this thing is so light, you know, and it's super forgiving, obviously. That's my cutting edge bottom. That's crazy. So I think this is like 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch. Yeah, that's crazy. Whereas this is 3/8 of an inch and far heavier. So that's part of the issue with this plow is, you know, I only have a 1/4 ton pickup truck, and or half-ton pickup truck. I don't even know what a 1500 is, but what I'm getting at is this is the lightest, one of the lightest plows that Fisher makes. That's like a legit plow, or in other circumstances, this is the heaviest duty plow that is recommended for a Chevy 1500. So one of the issues with this plow is it's not very heavy. It's very easy to move this thing around by hand if needed, you know, just drag it around and stuff. So by adding this steel to it, it's going to weigh it down more, which is one of those issues that it has, is it needs more weight. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this edge up, and then we're gonna throw this on one bolt at a time. So let's get it. So we're just going to loosely put on this cutting edge and all the bolts. Really make sure that you put your ear right up on the cutting edge to make sure that it sounds correct when it's being put on. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just kidding. Don't leave just because I said that. Really, really nice. Yeah, it does. It looks really nice. Looks fresh. One thing that I am noticing is it sits a little bit lower than flush. With what it was factory, which is kind of weird, but yeah. And unfortunately we don't have a lot of snow on the ground to begin with, for me to do like a test run with that cutting edge compared to this one. But I am going to take a little video of me plowing right now, just to see how it does. So seems to do all right. All right. Well, that was the very first scrapes with this steel cutting edge on my Fisher Minute Mount 2 7-foot 5-inch SD plow. And obviously you'll be seeing it a lot more this coming winter when I go out plowing. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.